Hi, champs. Welcome back again to all of you in the another Sunday live session. And today we are with Rohan Barnwal, who is the founder of Arduino Boy and a passionate maker. And today Rohan will unravel the fundamentals and key components of Arduino, empowering you to bring your wildest idea to life. And in between, if you have any question, then you can ask your question in the live chat, and Rohan will be happy to answer them. So thank you so much, Rohan, for joining us, and over to you.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Midohan. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. And in this session, we're gonna be cover all the basics of Arduino. So let's get started. Okay. So let me present my screen to you all. Yeah, start sharing. Share. Yeah. Uh, Ankit, can you? Is it like visible?
Yeah, visual.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, visual.
So yeah. So in this session, we're gonna be answer all these questions like what is Arduino, what are the different parts of Arduino, why Arduino could be considered as a best for a beginner, which Arduino should we buy, what are shields and sensors, how to program Arduino, and from where we can see Arduino projects. So let's start with our first question: what is Arduino? So, if we let it be in simple, Arduino is a small electronic device that you can use to create and control your own interactive projects. It consists of a programmable circuit board with input output pins that allow you to connect various components such as sensors, electronics components, etc. And by writing and uploading code to the Arduino, you can instruct it to perform a specific task and responding to different inputs. Arduino is designed to be user friendly, making it accessible for beginners to learn about electronics and coding, while enable more experienced users to build complex projects. And overall, it's a versatile tool that encourage creativity and innovations in the world of electronics and automations. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, which is parts of Arduino. Okay, so let's discuss the parts of the Arduino. So the main key component of Arduino is its microcontroller. As you can see over here, I have Arduino Uno, and this is a microcontroller. It is Atmel Atmega 328P. So the microcontroller is the brain of the Arduino. Okay, it is a small computer chip that processes the instructions and controls the board operation. As you can see over here as well, in this photo as well, you can see this is a microcontroller. Then we have input output pins. So as you can see, here it is written 01 0 to 13. These are the pins, actually, input output pins. Actually, Arduino board have a series of input output pins that allows you to connect and interact with external devices and components. These pins can receive input from sensors, switches, or button and deliver output to the components like we have lights like LEDs, displays, modules, etc. Then we have power supply. So as you can see, we have power supply. This is a jack. This can also be worked as a power supply. This is also worked for a power supply. So Arduino board required a power source to operate it, just like we need food to work properly. In the same case, it requires power to operate. They can power either connecting them to a computer via USB cable or by using a external power supply such as batteries or AC adapters. Okay, moving on. Then we have USB port. So this is a USB port, as you can see. Let me show you here as well. So this is a USB port. So the USB port allows you to connect Arduino board to your computer It serves two purposes. First, for powering the board, and second, it enabling you to upload your code to the microcontroller. Okay. After that, as you can see over here, a small push button. This is a reset button. Okay, let me show you here as well. Wait a minute. Yeah, as you can see, I think, yeah, this is a reset button. So it is a very small button on the board that allows you to restart the program, which is running on the Arduino. By pressing this button, the Arduino starts executing the uh, program from the beginning. Okay, moving on, we have voltage regulators. Okay, so regulators play a very major role in Arduino. Okay, because voltage regulator ensures that the Arduino board receives a stable and consistent power required by the microcontroller and another components of the board. Okay, then we have ADC. So ADC means analog to digital converter. Okay, it is a component that converts analog signal to the digital signal so that Arduino can understand it easily. Then we have a question, why Arduino is best for beginners. So if we talk about that, so here are the factors that I think Arduino is good for beginners. First, easy to use. Arduino provides a user friendly platform with a simple programming environment. The programming language is based on C, C. Now, you might think that it's like very vast, but it is a simplified version. Okay, so that it can be easier for a beginner or anyone to program it. Then we have versatility. Arduino is a versatile platform that can be used for wide range of projects, from simple blinking a LED light to more complex robotics and automation systems. And in this session, we're gonna build LED blink project as well. So be ready for that as well. The third factor is the low cost. Arduino boards are really inexpensive compared to other development board platform. If you see in the market, this affordability makes it more accessible for beginners, allowing them to experiment and learn without significant financial investments. Okay, then scalability. While Arduino is beginner friendly, it can also scale to more advanced projects by adding a lot of sensors, communication modules, and all. Okay, now we have another topic, which is water shields. You might have heard of this. So, in a simple term, a shield is an add-on board, okay, that you can plug onto an Arduino board to expand its functionality. That's why it's called a shield, because it shields or covers the Arduino board, providing additional features. Shields are designed to fit directly onto specific Arduino boards, stacking on the top and connecting to the pins. They come in various types, each offering different capabilities. Like over here, we have a picture of three generally used shields, like LCD LCD shield, motor driver shield, and Wi-Fi shield. So Wi-Fi shields gives the benefit of the Wi-Fi. It enables Wi-Fi in the Arduino projects. Then we have motor shield, which provides us a feature so that we can directly control motors to it without using any external, or using making a simple connection to a huge messy connections. Then we have LCD with keypad shield. This makes very easy. If you will work with LCD now, then you will find you have to connect a lot of wire. But with this shield, you can do it easily, man. It's literally insane thing. So now moving on, what are the sensors? So sensor are the devices, okay, that can detect and measure the physical or environmental changes. They can act like our senses, gathering information from the world around us. Okay, sensor can detect things like light, temperature, motion, pressure, or sound, and they convert this physical changes into electrical senses. Sorry, signals. Like over here, I have this alcohol detector sensors. Basically, it detects the alcohol in the surrounding, and getting that data, it converts it into a electrical signal so that Arduino can easily understand it. Apart from that, we have a lot of sensors. Like we have this is digital humidity sensor. Okay, we usually call it as DHT11 sensor. And apart from that, we have a lot of sensor. Let me show you some more as well. Like this is a water level sensor that tells the level of water. Okay, so yeah, now let's talk on what are modules. Okay, in simple terms, modules are small pre-built electronic components or board that serve a specific function and can be easily integrated into electronic projects. They are designed to simplify and enhance the capabilities of an electronic system without requiring extensive circuit design or programming. And the modules come in different ways. Like we have sensor modules, we have communication modules. Like over here, you can see these are uh, communication modules. This is a Bluetooth module. Let me show you as well. I have one. Like as you can see, this is a Bluetooth module which gives us which makes our board capable of doing Bluetooth communication. And according to that, we have a lot of, like we have let me show you some more as well. So here we have, this is a motor driver module. So using this module, we can like control motors using Arduino boards. So yeah, module makes everything very simple for like making projects. Okay, then let's talk about how to program Arduino. Okay, so for programming Arduino, we use its software called Arduino IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it is a software application that provides a user-friendly platform for programming and uploading the code to Arduino boards. It is primary tool used to create, edit, and upload code to control and interact with the Arduino base project. With the Arduino IDE, you can write code that defines how your Arduino board should behave and what actions it should perform. So, yeah, here we have. Then we will talk from where we can see Arduino projects. Okay, so you can go through social media platforms, websites, or books from where you can get more knowledge and about the projects, uh, about Arduino and all. And let's begin with making a project. Now we will make a project which is LED blink project. Okay, which is the one of the basic project of Arduino. So let's build that. For that, we need an Arduino Uno. You can take any board, but if you are a beginners, then I will prefer that use this board only, because it's like you will find all the things related to this. Moreover, other boards. Okay, so let's go with this one. So first of all, we will connect it with a cable. As you can see, we have a USB A to Type B cable. Okay, so let me connect it. As you can see, it has been connected. Now wait a minute. uh just a minute. Wait a minute. Ankit, wait, where is Ankit? I have a question. Yeah, Ankit, please tell me whether, wait a minute. Let me check it. Okay.
So before coming into the practical part,
Yeah, yeah.
so I have one question.
Yeah,
So any blog or website which you recommend for making Arduino projects,
yeah.
especially for
Let
the
me
beginners?
Yeah. Let me tell all the things. For social media platforms, you can prefer YouTube. It's all-time favorite for all. Apart from that, for if you want to search for websites, right? There are plenty of websites, but for beginners, I will suggest you should prefer Arduino Project Hub, which is only for Arduino projects. But if you wanted to see more projects with different board, that you can go through Hackster.io and Instructable as well. There are plenty, but my favorite
Right.
is Arduino Project Hub. For like if you are a beginner, then I will suggest go with that only, because in that, like, all the blogs which are given are totally insane. Like, it will give you a full detailed version. Even I used to upload projects on that as well. You can find me over there as well in my social media platform, apart from my social media platform. And if we talk about the books, there are plenty of books in the market. Like, you can use that make book, which is written by Mazimo Banzi. Okay, that is a good book. And apart from that, I have also written a
Oh,
book on Arduino, which is this one, Arduino Programming Projects. Okay.
oh,
uh, yeah. In this, actually, the books I have read na, it was like that black and white, and was like only the photos of the board. I wanted an interactive book, like we are interacting, right? In the same way, I wanted that one should, whenever one should read this book, he or she should, like, they will think like, we are interacting to Arduino. Okay, I have made book in such a way. Let me show you. Let me show you a great thing. Wait. Let audience also experience this. uh yeah. So as you can see,
so from where I can buy this book?
yeah, you can purchase it from Amazon, or as well as from Flipkart and from BPB website as well, who are the publishers of this book. Okay. So yeah, now let me show you the thing that I wanted to show. Look, I have made Arduino as a character, having eyes and hands joining, right? Yeah. So yeah, Ankit, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So let me. So can we switch to that practical part?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Okay. Let me. Please check whether. Yeah. Is my screen is? I have started sharing now.
Yeah,
Is it visible? Visible, no?
yeah, started.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yeah.
yeah, it is visible now. So hello everyone. So this is the Arduino ID. Okay, so whenever you can download it from Arduino website as well. I have downloaded it from Microsoft Store. You can download it from their official website as well. So whenever you will open this now, you will get interface like this, user interface like this. Here we have void setup, and here we have void loop. Before moving to that, let me show you some basic things. Here we have file, from where we can open our files and save our files. Then we have edit, from where you can like change the fonts and things related to that. Then we have a sketch. So whenever we write in the whatever code we write in this platform, we called it as a sketch. As you can see, it is already mentioned a sketch underscore my 23a. Okay, so that's why here we can before like uploading the code, Arduino IDE has this insane feature, which is like it tells you where is the problem. Like, suppose you have, let me show you. Wait. Suppose I have write a code, okay, in mode 10 as output. Don't worry, I will tell you all these things. And here we have verify button. So when I will verify now, it is asking for save. Let it be save. So yeah, you can see over here, it detects the problem where you have the problem, in which line you have the problem. It also tells that as well. That's why I love this uh, Arduino ID. So yeah, let's talk this as well, how all the things work. I've already told you about file and edit and sketch. So over let me tell more options of sketch as well. From here we includes our library. So like whenever we work on sensor now, we required libraries of that. Like if we are working on MQ3 sensor, then we required the libraries of that, because Arduino can't understand, like if I write something like I have MQ3, it cannot be like If it's not a human beings, like I will say him, buddy, I wanted to make a project in which I will use a MQ3 sensor. It don't gonna work. So it requires libraries to work. Okay. So here we will make a basic project which is LED blink project, in which the LED is gonna blink. Okay. So here we have, here you can see two parts: void setup and void loop. Okay. As its name suggests, void setup, we have to set up all the things over here. Like suppose over here, let me show you. Like in mode and as output. Yeah. Wait. Let me 13. Yeah. So I have declared pin 13 as output. So the pins in the Arduino can be configured. You can make it as input. If uh, y- instead of out, if I write in, it will work as an input. But over here we will use it, make it as output. So I have made pin mode 13 as output. Okay. Then we have void loop, where the main code we write. Okay. The main part we will write, like and these are the syntax, remember. Okay. And it is a case sensitive language. Like if I write pin mode, you can see it remains black, but when I capitalize the M, it shows orange color. That means it is the syntax of uh, Arduino IDE. Now we have to on it. Okay. So how we will tell to Arduino, in the void loop we will write digital write. So write function is for writing, and we have read as well. Let me show you. Read. So digital read is to read the things, and write is used for writing something, like for turning on and off, and read is for reading the censored data. So over here we will blink LED. So we will use write. Then we will write 13 as high. So high means it will turn it on. Okay. Then we will add a delay of like 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Then we will make it off. Digital digital write at 10 as high. Oh, sorry, low. Actually, I need to turn off right now. Then we will write delay of 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Now, before uploading this, first of all, you should verify it. Okay. So this tick button is for verify. Okay. As you can see, it is written done compiling. We have no errors in the code. uh, Now, before uploading, make sure that you have selected the right board and the COM port. So in my case, I am using Arduino Uno, and my COM port is COM3. Okay. So how to select it? You have to come to tools, you have to click on tools option, then select the board option, and over here select your board. Like in my case it's Arduino Uno, I am selecting Arduino Uno. Then select the right COM port. I have selected COM3. Okay. Now let me show you a magic. So now we will gonna upload. Yeah, it's uploading. Yeah. So I think it is visible. Wait a minute. Let me stop sharing it and switch back. Yeah, as you can see, the LED starts blinking. It's a built-in LED that comes with the Arduino, which is pin number 13. Remember that. Yeah. So Ankit,
Yeah, it's visual to all the guys.
yeah. So here we have the complete things all about Arduino and all. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am happy to answer all of them.
So somehow I see a lot of time whenever I try to select a board, sometimes it's not visible,
Yeah. So like it
like COM 3 or COM 4.
for yeah. So if you want to solve this problem now, make sure you have updated that driver. Okay. update your drivers, it happens a lot of time. Actually, it happens generally with the clone boards. We have original as well as clone boards as well. So it happens, but it can be
Right.
resolved if you if you updated the drivers, and if it is not working, try to reinstall the drivers. Or in some cases we have to download the cs3 cs3 340g libraries for different board, not for Arduino. For ESP8266, these are the different boards, not the Arduino boards. But for in this cases we have to use that library, driver for the Arduinos and all, for the clone boards actually, especially for the clone boards. If you use the original, now that the original there are in the market, we have clone as well as original board as well. Like, let me show you. This is a original board. Okay, this is a Arduino Leonardo. Okay, and this is the board that previously I have shown. It is a clone board. Okay, they act same as the normal board, but there are something like lifespan of a clone board is very less as compared to original one. Let me give you an example. I have a
Right.
Arduino Mega with me. I have a Arduino Mega with me, original one, and apart from that, a clone one. And I purchased it in 2015, around 2015 or 2017. I forgetting when I purchased it. But right now you won't believe, the clone board is not working, but the board is like Arduino Mega is still working. And from that time it is still using. Actually, I have made a home automation system in my home, so that's why I am still using it. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Rohan, for an incredible session on Arduino, and your
Yeah, yeah, it's
expertise
a pleasure
and
for me.
passion for Arduino truly shone through.
Thank you,
And
Ankit.
we are
Thank you.
really grateful for the valuable insight and practical tips you shared with us today.
Yeah,
And
thank you,
Champs,
Ankit.
you can find his channel link Arduino Boy in the description for
Yeah.
making cool Arduino projects, and his book link also.
Yeah, yeah, I will provide it to you. Okay.
So bye.
Yeah. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you so
viewers.
much.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Meet you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.